Hello, good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze Excel sheets using AI. So let's get started. Here, for example, we have my sheet right here. It has date, product, unit sold, and revenue. So what you need to do to use AI is basically highlight all of it using Control A. And in the Home tab, at the very right side, there's Analyze Data right here. Go ahead and press that, and it should analyze all of your data. As you can see here, it shows it right here, like revenue by date and product. It's graphs. That's what AI is for if you use the analyze data. Let's, for example, let's use this insert pivot table if you really want to use this. And it will make a separate sheet underneath here, as you can see. Let's make that more visible. There we go. Oh, as you can see here, yeah. So AI is really useful when using Excel. It reduces manual effort to make it more useful for you. So basically, you can also ask here specific questions about your data, and it should answer it more accurately. And I hope you find this video useful, and thank you for watching.